for the cutting, and then assembly, and then you do the finishing and the packaging. But those all has sub-processes.
Ano po yung sub-processes?
Sub-processes meaning, for example, in milling or yung pagputol ng kahoy, you still have, you know, sub-processes meaning yung ano yung size, ano yung ganito, paano nila isusort out. So, may mga sub-processes pa, yung mga main process.
Okay. Ano po yung mga manufacturing? Machinery and equipments po na ginagawa?
The major are basically the bandsaw, diba? Yung mga malalaking machines na pang-cut, diba? But those has a lot of different types. We have the ones for yung mga clamps na ginagamit. Yung pang-press, para pag pinagdikit-dikit yung pinutol na kahoy, diba? Para magdikit-dikit sila. Then, you have, for finishing, nakita ninyo, you have the huge, what do you call this, for the ventilation, diba? Yung dyan sa baba, nakita niyo yun. Hindi ko yung nakikita. So, yung
Or
mga
baka
yun,
hindi lang alam.
hindi napansin. But those are for ventilation purposes. So, you have a lot of, actually, you really have a lot of machines and equipments that you use. It's not just to be more cutting, because there's still different kinds.
So, kanyari yung mga ganun po, paano po yan? May machine po ba for them?
There's machine for cutting, diba? You also have the carving machine, but then the carving machine kasi, it only basically molds it. And it is advisable to use it if, let's say, 5 and above pieces. But if you're doing less than 5, hindi na siya practical na gamitin.
So, hinahan nyo? Hand carve?
Yes, everything is, well, maybe I'd say about 90% is done by hand.
This question, ilang months or something siyang ginagawa?
Well, if you order to us, let's say timeline is 45 days, but it does not necessarily mean it's 45 days that you're doing it. Kasi there's waiting time, and then we also have, kumbaga, stages. Let's say, unahin tong order na to, unahin tong order na to. So, hindi siya dire-diretso na gagawin 45. If let's say, sabihin mo, didiretsohin ko siya, maybe in about 3 days, 4 days lang.
Ilang chairs po yun? One.
No, I mean, if you ask me to do, because there's still the drying, di ba? Pag halimbawa kinlam ko siya para sa mga joints niya, I cannot just clam it and then take it out because I have to have it dried overnight. So, you know, it's not like you process it in a day and finish it in a day for one piece because may mga waiting period pa yan. Parang may mga curing time pa siya.
I miss yung sad po ng ganong chair. Mga ilang ano po siya, weeks or days?
No, if you do it na tuloy-tuloy,
Apo.
let's say you have about 4 to 5 days.
Ano parang... ano po yung mga market?
We have European market, which is our main client right now is London-based. So, the UK siya. Tapos, we have clients in Russia. We have clients in, saan pa ba sila? Sa Holland ata, meron sa Finland. Tapos, sa US, meron din kami sa Middle East. We have Qatar, we have KSA, we have UAE.
Sila po yung top 1 niyo po? Top 1?
The top client that we have is London-based. But in terms of volume per, let's say, per area, it's Middle East. Mas madami kaming kliyente sa Middle East kaysa sa London. But then, our London client orders more. So, we ship out more containers to them on a weekly basis.
Miss question, per client you mean, customers?
Yes.
How about the, designers?
Designers,
Ng furnitures? Di ba po kasi manufacturing company,
Yes.
so you just do the furnitures. So, saan po nagagaling yung
We have
design?
2 ways. One is, if the client would provide us the design, then we'll execute plan. Or we'll manufacture for them. Or kami, in-house. Majority of the ones that we have seen here at the showroom are our designs.
So, more in-house po yung sinasabi.
Yes.
You have
Yes.
local market po.
I have 5 from our production is 5% for domestic market. So, meaning 95% of my production is for export. And I have 5% for domestic.
Yung designers niyo po, Filipinos din?
Well, majority are Filipino, like in-house designers. But for me, I hired a Swedish designer. So I also work with another Swedish designer. Yung mga nakikita nyo, the period pieces, kasi sila European sila. So they see these pieces kasi restaurant he's a very good restorer of antiques. So he knows the genuine o yung mga totoong detail, di ba? So I hired him to help me make sure that it is close to the original. So like yung nakita nyo, mga Gustavian, mga Baroque, yung nakita nyo yung bed doon na meron siyang canopy, that kind of piece, siya ang gumagawa because he's much, more knowledgeable in terms of design.
Question, saan po yung mga markets mo dito?
Sa local, I sell to a lot of stores in Manila. Like Touch of Elegance, I sell to, let's say, Kish. These are some retail stores in Manila.
And saan po kayo usually nag-showroom?
Showroom. I only have the showroom, but I join shows. I joined the Manila Fame, and then like me, previously I joined Singapore show, I joined Shanghai show. So far yun. Kasi paminsan yung mga client namin, they're the one who comes, and then we set order. So I don't do too many shows.
Yung style and design niyo po,
okay. We're doing mostly antique reproduction or traditional pieces. This is what we are specializing on. So we're doing hand-carved pieces. So meaning, kumbaga, traditional sila, lahat, majority of it is done by hand. Kasi kung yung mga may carving, hindi nila magagawa na, pag machine siya, for example, if you do it, you see the ones in China, mga diretso lang, konting carving lang, kasi hindi pa sila ganun capable kumakain. So sa amin, we're doing traditional hand-carved furnitures.
yung mga ganun po, painted.
Which one?
Yung
the
pot.
chair? The pot is not mine. It's a pot. It's really a pot. No, but a lot of the pieces that we're doing gilding finishes, painted finishes, and varnish finishes.
Nag-supply na po ba kayo sa Malacanang?
We did.
Really?
Yes. There was a time that they're renovating, but my mom was the one pa that time, so hindi ko masyadong alam yung detail. But even
Kasi
Coconut
pang
Palace,
Malacanang nga, yung furniture.
Oo, meron din. Nagmalacanang din kami. Then we did also some in Coconut Palace.
Sino po yung competitions niyo po?
Competition in terms of, depende how you say competition. Meaning, is it in terms of, let's say, market? Overseas ba or local?
Local and overseas.
Local, not so many people could do nice gilding kasi. So, we are also known for gilded pieces. Yung mga gold, mga silver, yung mga ganun. So, yun yung medyo kilala kami. So, in terms of competition, like even if you pass Betis, makikita ninyo ang dami-daming mga parang backyard na mga furniture. But then, quality-wise, it's still not much the same. May difference pa rin. So, in terms of local, siguro Cebu based, not Manila based. I don't see much of Manila based doing hand-carved pieces, but probably in Cebu.
I miss yung in terms po of historical type of furniture.
Historical meaning traditional? Yes. What we're doing are
I mean,
traditional.
competition.
Competition.
May other companies po bang nag-ganun?
Other companies dito, kukunti na lang kasi. Normally, Cebu-based na lang talaga sila. But
Pero
for,
di ba po parang mas ano na nila ngayon yung weaving, rattan, ganun.
Yes, but still, there are clients of ours, especially the one in Middle East, na gusto nila yung mga bongga issues. Ayaw nila yung masyadong simple. Parang gano'n. So, kumbaga, it's a less market, but then you have a niche for that. So, it does not necessarily mean na, kasi uso ngayon, simple. Hindi ibig sabihin, wala ka ng kliyente. Kasi our clients are, wanted, expensive, bonggacious, yung mga flamboyant pieces.
How do you get your clients po?
Majority, sila, referred. Pero, or either referred or through shows. Or like kami, kasi second generation na kami. My parents' clients are still our clients. So, So, ganun yung mga kliyente.
Mas yung materials daw po. Saan kayo mostly?
For the wood, it's local kasi it's plantation.
Sarili nyo ring plantation siya? Or,
Hindi. Somebody supplies us. But then, if our clients, say, we have a client in New York, he specifies alderwood or ashwood, then we import. Pero majority, local lang.
How about the textiles? Yung ginagamit mo.
Textiles. The fabric. Okay, normally, we don't have a good source in terms of local material. But then, lahat yan imported eh. So, we have suppliers from Manila. We do it either we ship out. If you've seen their ones that are in white cloth lang. So, our clients actually put the fabric on the items pagdating doon. Okay, that's one. Secondly, either we offer. When they come, they'll see swatches that we offer. The swatches that we offer actually comes also from suppliers in Manila. So, or either they send us the tela, ship it out here, and then we put the material. Kasi wala pang ganun, and it's so expensive to send it. Diba? Kaya yung iba puti na lang. Kasi it's so expensive to send it. You have to pay for the taxes, you have to pay for the shipment, and then, ang nangyayari pa, minsan naiipit pa sa customs. So, kaya ganun yung nangyayari. But otherwise, it depends on the kumbaga, instruction ng supplier. Kasi yung iba, kaya doon na nila nalalagay yung tela because they can claim, let's say if I ship it out in the US, they put the fabric in US, they can claim it's made from US. So, kaya ganun siya. Oo, kasi there's still a production process that was done. So, they will say that it is made from US.
May question yun po. Di ba yung furniture siya mostly bangladesh, ganyan? May plans din po ba kayo mag-simple lang?
I do have simple. It's just that the showroom that we have, these are the most of the clients that we have. Let's say about 70% goes for this kinds of furniture. They look for us because of this. But then we also have clients that really want simple furnitures. And
Wood
then,
carving din po yun?
pwedeng may carving, pwedeng wala. So, yun yung mga special projects na ginagawa namin. So, we also accept those. It does not necessarily mean kailangan may carving yung ginagawa.
Pero under Betis company din?
Yes.
Or,
Under Betis.
Di ba po may parang I mean, we have brothers and sisters.
Yes,
na-
there's 4 of us.
Opo.
I handle JD, which is the old company. But we just revived it. Medyo natulog siya ng konti. Which handles itong nakaputing showroom na to, na mga mauukit, all the rococos and the baroque. That's what I'm doing for the JD. We have Betis Craft that's doing a little less carving, but still traditional. And then we have More Than a Chair who's doing more of institutional, yung mga hotel projects, mass production. And then we have the South Sea Veneer. South Sea Veneer is being handled by my sister. Sila yung nagla-laminate. So, yung mga veneer patterns na nakikita nyo, siya yung nagla-laminate nun. Tapos, she also does, alam mo yung, let's say, sabi nga niya, kahit anong ibigay mo sa kanya, ididikit daw niya. Meaning, any material, meron nga kaming ginawa, sago siya na naka-resin. So, makikita mo, clear yon. Diba, resin is basically plastic. But what was inside was the edible sago na hindi nakaluto. So, parang sparkle sila na puti-puting doon. So, that is what she handles. So, none of us actually have competition because we have different segments, different kinds of clients. Ayun
Okay,
na.
thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Next time, pasyal kayo ulit.
Opo,
Diba?
thank you.
Okay.